what's up? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Presentation Skills. My name is Mohammed. I'll be your instructor during this tutorial. I'm so glad to have you with me on this channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how to create a presentation wherein an astronaut is walking on the moon and waving his hand towards us. It's going to be a very beautiful presentation, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Without further ado, let's start this tutorial. For this presentation, we need a background image of the moon's surface. I have already downloaded the background image of the moon. Hence, we'll go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, then go to this device. And I'll choose the background image of the moon's surface and click on Insert. Then I'll click Ctrl X to move this image to the clipboard, then I'll right-click on the slide and go to Format Background. Then I'll click on this option, Picture or Texture Fill, then I'll click on the clipboard. It will add the image to the background of this slide. Now we can close this Format Background option. Now we need a 3D model of an astronaut. Hence, we'll go to the Insert tab, then to 3D Models, and click on Stop 3D Models. Once on this page, we need to go to this option space. And here we need to choose this animated 3D model of an astronaut. We'll choose this 3D model and click on Insert. Now, we need to change the direction of this 3D model. Hence we'll go to 3D Models and choose this direction, right? And now we need to zoom out this slide to 50% capacity to create this presentation efficiently. Now, we'll drag and drop this 3D model of an astronaut outside the slide like this. And then we'll go to the Animation tab and choose this scene for animation. And now, we need to open the animation pane and change the settings. Hence, we'll go to the animation settings, go to the timing option and give it a duration of 5 seconds. And make it repeat until 4 times and then click on OK. Now, we need to add another animation. Hence, we'll go to Add Animation, and then we'll go to the motion path and choose this animation line. Now, go to the Effect option and choose this direction left. And then we need to change the animation settings. Hence, we'll go to the Effect option, we'll remove the Smooth Start and Smooth End, and go to the Timing option. Make it start with the previous, give it a duration of 20 seconds and click on OK. Now, click on this red dot. Hold the Shift key, and drag and drop it until the middle of this slide. To confirm, if you are in the middle of the slide, you can just see this red dot appearing on point 0 on the scale above the slide. Now, we need to add another animation. Hence we'll go to Add Animation. And we'll choose this Scene 2 here. And then we'll go to the Animation settings. Go to the Time option. Choose this option after the previous in the Start field and give it a duration of 3 seconds and then click on OK. Now, we need to add another animation, hence we'll go to Add Animation and we'll choose this Animation Turntable. Now, we need to change the settings. We'll go to Animation Settings and Effect Options. We'll change its degree to 90 degrees. Then we'll go to Timing and we'll choose this option after the previous and we'll give it a duration of 1 second and then click on OK. And now we need to add the final and the last animation, hence we'll go to Add Animation and we'll choose this animation Scene 3. Now, we'll go to the Animation Settings, go to the Time option. We'll choose this option after the previous here and we'll give it a duration of 5 seconds. We'll make it repeat until the end of the slide. And then click on OK. Congratulations! Our animation is ready now. If we go to the slideshow, we'll be able to see what we have created. Hence, we'll click on this button. Slideshow and go to the slideshow to see how it's looking. Isn't it amazing? If you want to create such beautiful presentations, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Share this video with as many friends of yours as possible so that they can also benefit from this tutorial. See you soon in the next tutorial. Until then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video.